Solutions that Work: Advanced Placement in Rural Schools by Elise Miller, Carrie Benson, and Carly Headland. AP classes can offer clear advantages to the students who take them. For one, the academic challenge of these classes reflects well on college applications and gives students an edge in the admissions process. For some high schools, the grading scale applied to these classes can also boost a student's overall GPA, further bolstering their application. Then, once they've been admitted to college, students who have taken AP courses already have a taste of the challenge and fast pace of a college course. They have a strong advantage over other college students who are just taking a college-level course for the first time. Not to mention, students who have taken the AP exam for their course and scored well may also be able to earn college credit, saving them the tuition expense. However, while AP classes are a great option for college-bound students, not all students have access to these classes and the benefits they offer. Rural districts in particular struggle to provide high-level AP courses to their students. With smaller student body populations, they are able to offer fewer classes overall. There is also the challenge of finding highly qualified teachers to teach these advanced classes in rural areas. Finally, these school districts often find themselves underfunded and unable to implement new programs. All of these factors contribute to limited AP opportunities for students in rural school districts. Just how limited are these opportunities? Well, nearly half of all rural schools in America have no students in AP classes. The truly remote rural schools are almost 10 times less likely to have access to AP courses when compared to urban, suburban, or even rural districts closer to urban areas. Unfortunately, the competitive edge offered by AP classes seems to be out of reach for a considerable number of rural students. However, states and school districts are aware of this challenge, and recent efforts have been made to improve AP access for all students. One way to do this is by offering online AP courses free to all students. Many of these programs, like Iowa's Online AP Academy, were specifically designed with rural students in mind. Others, like the program offered by the Minnetonka School District in Minnetonka, Minnesota, offer AP courses to their own suburban students, but also make them free and readily available to students outside of the district as well. Students are even able to take AP courses over the summer, further increasing opportunities and accessibility. This program, referred to as Tonka Online, has demonstrated the potential for success through online learning, with 81% of its students scoring a 3 or higher on their AP exams. AP classes are a great opportunity for high school students looking for a challenge and are a great way to prepare them for the college admissions process and actual college coursework. The opportunity to take AP courses online has helped level the playing field for rural students who may not otherwise have access to such courses. The success of Minnetonka's program, among others, has shown that geography and funding doesn't have to be a limiting factor in opportunity. For additional information, we recommend checking out these sources.